Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining me on this crazy journey. I just wanted to make this quick video for you regarding the latest Bloomberg article that was published today around 1 in the morning Eastern time. Before I start, if you do end up enjoying the video, then please go ahead and leave it a like. It will definitely help my small channel grow. Also, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications if you want to catch more of my future videos. I will do my best to keep you guys informed with the latest news and rumors. Let's begin by taking a look at the price that CCIV had in the pre-market hours. According to MarketWatch, around 4 in the morning, CCIV opened with a stock market price of $33.95. And as of 8:23 in the morning, the stock price has dropped down to $26.39. As I mentioned in my last video, this week the Future Investment Initiative Forum will be taking place in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia on Wednesday and Thursday. Speculations have made investors like myself believe that the merger between CCIV and Lucid Motors might be announced. If you didn't watch my latest video, then please go ahead and take a look at it. You might be missing an important piece to your puzzle. So with this information, we can safely state that this could have been one of the reasons for the spike in the pre-market hours. The other reason could be Merging Monday, or the fact that Andrew Liveris will be a speaker in the Future Investment Initiative. You may remember Andrew Liveris as the chairman of the Lucid Board of Directors, and also as an operating partner in Churchill Capital. Unfortunately, I cannot show you this as the website is currently down, but I did see him as a listed speaker, so hopefully you can take my word for it. Now regarding the Lucid Motor news, Bloomberg published an article with the title Saudi Wealth Fund in Talks with Lucid for Car Factory. This article was published on January 25th, 2021, around 1 in the morning Eastern Time. So let's see what Bloomberg has to say about this. Lucid Motors is in talks with Saudi Arabia's wealth fund to build an electric vehicle factory in the kingdom. The Financial Times reported, citing an interview with the fund's governor, Yasir Al-Rumayyan. Bloomberg reported earlier this month that Lucid is in the talks with the kingdom's public investment fund to build a factory potentially near the Red Sea city of Jeddah. The company raised more than $1 billion from the PIF in 2018. An investment that was conditional on the firm developing a site in Saudi Arabia. The fund is seeking to lure international companies to set up operations in the kingdom. It is already a discussion with a number of companies in the health sector. The PIF is also in talks with many companies in SoftBank's Saudi-backed Vision Fund. The next step is to go forward in getting them to the kingdom, Al-Rumayyan said. The PIF's international exposure will decline to about 20% of the assets under management during the next 5 years, from nearly 30%. Saudi Arabia might consider listing more shares in Saudi Aramco if the valuation is right, he said. The PIF will need additional government cash injections. This will happen only when the central bank's reserves are replenished. Note, Saudi Arabia removes central banker lays out wealth fund goals. So what could this possibly mean for Lucid Motors? In my opinion, this would mean more investors, more employees, more production, more manufacturing, and definitely more sales. And obviously, more competition for Tesla. This could also mean more profits for all of us who bought stocks in CCIV early. Of course, this is only assuming that Lucid and CCIV would merge. However, I'm still more than hopeful. And also about the fact that Andrew Liveris will be a speaker at the Future Investment Initiative. Will Andrew Liveris mention anything regarding the merger in this event? Maybe an official announcement about the CCIV and Lucid merger? I'm not sure if he has the power to make such an announcement. But for now, thank you guys once again for joining me in this Lucid Motors and CCIV merging adventure. It makes me feel like I am not alone in this crazy ride. The sources are listed below as always. And if you did enjoy the video, then please go ahead and leave it a like. And also don't be afraid of subscribing and hitting the bell for notifications. Once again, I would be doing my best to give you the latest news and the latest rumors. Remember what they say, buy the rumors and sell the news. But as always, let's not forget to be patient as we are getting closer to finding out the truth about this merger. Soon enough, guys. Let's just keep waiting. And also, don't forget to take a chance.